Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. This video is in continuation to my previous video where I've shown how we can create an alert such that whenever a pipeline fails, okay, uh, a alert is being sent to the registered email ID. Okay, so as you can see in our dashboard, okay, we can see the matrices, how many times a pipeline failed, okay, and how many times it was succeeded. Similarly for activity, similarly for trigger. Okay, we can all even show the line chart or a pie chart. Okay, but uh, we want to look at some more matrices that are being present. Okay, so let's go back to monitoring tab and click on alert and matrices. Here you see the option matrices. So when you click on it, it will direct to your Azure monitor. So it is one of the monitoring service which enables us to view various type of matrices. So click on here on the left plane, you can see matrices. Okay, here a pop-up comes, select the scope. So here we will be selecting our resource group and inside which our resource. Okay, so this is the Azure Data Factory that I've created. Click on apply. As you can see, uh, this here the scope is present, and here the metric namespace, and here are the various type of matrices present. Okay, we will be let's first check the succeeded pipeline run matrices. Okay, click on count. So as you can see, between 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Uh, there are some success in pipeline. Okay, we can also see succeeded activity run matrices. So between 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Uh, these number of times our basically count. Okay, these number of count times our pipeline got succeeded. Okay, here are the various type of aggregation: count, average, min, max, sum. Okay, uh, okay, here you can also set check cancel activity runs. We haven't cancelled a pipeline, so the count is showing 0. Okay, uh, so click on count. Okay, here you can see there is a line chart. We can also plot the bar chart. Okay, so now it clearly represent at 12:22 a.m. 30 number of times. Okay, our pipeline got filled. Here comes the area chart also, or grid chart, or scatter chart. So we'll be selecting the area chart. Okay, or bar chart. Okay, here what we'll do now, click on save to dashboard. Okay, pin to dashboard, and here we can create a new dashboard or choose the existing one. So I will be using this dashboard and click on pin. So you can navigate to a dashboard by clicking on three horizontal lines and going to dashboards. Okay, click on refresh, or you can refresh from here. So you can see a metric is being present here: count, failed, pipeline run matrices. Okay, that we have pinned in our dashboard. Okay, we can pin another metric: uh, failed activity runs, pin dashboard, and click on pin. So let's go back to our dashboard and click on refresh. So another failed activity run matrix is been present. Okay, we can change the uh, we can customize the view by clicking on customize, or we want to select 2 by 2 4 tile, or 6 by 4 tile, or 4 by 6 tile. Okay, so I want to let it default. Okay, we can also small change the side or drag and drop from here to here in our dashboard. Okay, and we can, if you want, if you like it, click on save or click on discard. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.